Hello students, as in the last lecture we have studied the meaning of bookkeeping. As we are knowing, bookkeeping according to the J.R. Bartley, bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealing in set of books, right? It is an art as well as it is a science, right? Why bookkeeping is known as art? Because as art requires the skill, knowledge. The same way for bookkeeping, for maintaining the record, it's a one type of art. It's required the skill, right? And as a science is based on the certain rules and regulations, certain principles, same as way the bookkeeping is also based on certain rules and regulations. So bookkeeping is an art as well as science, right? Now in today we will learn about the accountancy. Now what is the accountancy? Accountancy is an broader concept than the concept of bookkeeping. It means what? Bookkeeping is the first stage, that the next and last stage is what? Accounting, right? So bookkeeping, it means what? It refers to the process of summarizing and analyzing the business transaction and interpreting the effects of those transactions on the business. Now it is a process, it means what? It is an ongoing process, one by one it should be in continuation, right? It is process. Which process? Summarizing and analyzing. Summarizing, it means what? It means collecting the information, it is recorded in proper way, it is studied, right? Analyzing the business transaction, in short, transaction, it means what? Buying and selling activity, right? First of all, business, why we are doing the business? We are doing the business to earn the profit. No person, no man, no businessman is doing the business to bear the loss. No one wants to do the business for the loss, right? Everyone wants to do the business for making the more and more amount of profit. So for profit, how it is possible? By buying and selling activity. So transaction, in short, we can say that when you are giving something to someone, he gives you something, right? So summarizing and analyzing whatever the activities are conducted into the business, that should be summarized in a short form. It should be analyzed properly to make the better use of that. And interpreting the effects, interpreting, it means to study, find out the conclusion and effects of those transactions on the business. It means whatever is the activities are conducted into the business, that should be recorded, that should be summarized and analyzed, and from that find out the conclusion to make it more useful for the business. That whole process is known as what? Accounting. So as per the American Accounting Association, it is stated that accounting refers to the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit the information, judgment, and decision by the user of accounts, right? Or we can say by according to the Kohler's definition of accountancy, he states that accountancy refers to the entire body of the theory and process of accounting. Entire body of the theory, or in short, to understand us the meaning of accountancy, it is said that accountancy is a process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the financial transactions and communicating the results thereof to the user of such information, right? Now we will go through one by one. It is a process. Remember students, it is a process. When we are saying that it process, it means it is in continuation. First step, second step, third step, it means go and go process. No, not a single step should be omitted. So it is a process of recording. It means what? To make in a proper way, right? To keep it in a proper way. Classifying, it is classified. Now what is the classification? Since you are the 11th standard, right? Again it is divided into how many students for the science, how many students for the commerce, how many students for the arts. Again, in that commerce, how many students who has taken the subject maths, how many students who are taking the subject of SP, how many students who have taken the subject Marathi or option to IT. On that, it means it is classified in a different way. So, and summarizing, making the proper summarization, finding out the making the information in the form it is usable. Analyzing, it means to study it information. And interpreting, it means finding out the conclusion, what is the final answer. The financial transactions, now what is the financial? Remember students, financial, it means it is totally related to the money. Transaction, buying and selling, it means the activity which involved the money. And communicating, it means to give in the opinion, to give the information who is connected to this, the result thereof to the user of such information. So the students, in short, we can say that accounting, it means what? It means whatever is the financial transactions are in the business, that should be recorded in proper way. After recording, it should be classified in the proper, it should be summarized, analyzed, and interpreting, finding out the conclusion. And whatever is the conclusion get, that information is provided to the person, now to whom? The businessman, who is the owner of the business, or those who are connected with the business, those who are making the business for the profit, right? Or to giving that information to that person is known as what? Accounting. So students, again I am repeating, accounting is a process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the financial transactions and communicating the results thereof to the user of such information. Now students will learn the difference between the bookkeeping and accountancy. Now first difference, it is in the meaning. What? Bookkeeping is an art of recording the business transactions in a proper set of books, or it is an art of recording the business dealing in a proper set of books, right? It is a concern with recording and classifying. It means it just recorded, it is buying, it is purchase, it is sales, it is just recording and bifurcating. But accountancy, it means it is related with the recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the financial data. It means in bookkeeping it is recording, but as it, after recording, classification, its process is not over. After that, it's the information, that record is to be studied, the conclusion is to be find out, and the future plan are based on that conclusion. It means A to Z up to whole process is included in the accountancy. But bookkeeping, it is only first step. Bookkeeping is a primary stage in accounting. It is a base for accounting. Apart from the primary stage, it includes the secondary stage of analyzing and interpretation. See, as we are knowing the meaning, so bookkeeping just recording the transaction and completed. But accountancy is not only the recording, it has to be studied, it has to be interpreting the information. So it is a secondary stage and bookkeeping is a primary stage. The objective of bookkeeping is to record of all financial transaction in a proper and systematic manner. The objective of accounting is to prepare the financial statement and further communicate the information to the relative authorities. Now, bookkeeping is to just maintain the record, just to keep the record, just to keep the financial transaction in the proper and systematic way. But accountancy's main important object is to what? Prepare the statement also, and finding out the conclusion, communicate that conclusion to the concerned authorities. It means with the management, with the board of directors, with the business owner, so that they can make the future better plan. Now, who is responsible for the bookkeeping? Junior staff. It means those who have completed their graduation, BCom, MCom, they can easily conduct the bookkeeping. They can easily make the records of business transactions. But For accountancy, it requires a senior staff. Senior staff, it means those who are having 10 to 15 year experience, those who are having the professional qualification like the CA. They are responsible for keeping the records, finding out the conclusion, interpretation, and communication with the relevant authorities. Bookkeeping basically results in journal and ledger. It means what? The results of accountancy is a profit and loss account and balance sheet. Since students, you are not, if I am explaining you the meaning of journal and ledger and the profit and loss account, you will not understand. But as we are study continuation, and when we are will reach at the last topic of the last lesson of the textbook, then you will know all the meaning of this. But for time being, just remember that whatever is the steps included, that first only journal and ledger, it's only for bookkeeping. But when you are preparing the profit and balance sheet, that time you will come to know what is the profit earned in the one particular during one particular year, right? Then bookkeeping gives day-to-day details and accountancy gives the details of entire year, right? Now it's when you are keeping maintaining the bookkeeping, it will give you the result only for day to day. It means when you are getting the mark sheet for the first unit test, you are getting the marks only for first unit test. But when you are getting the annual result, annual mark sheet, it is your whole year study progress for the particular standard, right? So accountancy, like that, accountancy gives you the entire year information of the business. The process of bookkeeping does not require any analysis. It means it does not require any special study, but accountant use bookkeeping information to analyze and interpret the data and compiles it into the reports. It means what? Bookkeeping is just to maintain the day-to-day records, but accountancy use this day-to-day data and study it, analyze it, finding out the loopholes, finding out what are the mistakes has done in that day-to-day basis, and then he make the report which is to be benefit for the future. Management cannot take a decision based on the data provided by bookkeeping. Depending on the data provided by the accountants, the management can take the critical business decision. As day-to-day information gives you the only basic idea, but when the accountancy is done properly, it is analyzed and summarized and interpreting, then it can due to on base of this information, management can take the good decision for the future growth and progress. So students, it is your book difference between the bookkeeping and accountancy. One more time I am repeating the meaning of both. Bookkeeping, according to J.R. Bartleby, bookkeeping is an art of recording the business dealing in proper set of books. And accounting is a process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the financial transaction and communicating the results thereof to the user of such information. So the students just go through it